All going on a summer holiday. You are?
I don't want to be in it.
Yeah, no, it's alright. I'll keep it away. On the beach, on the beach, on the beach, on the beach. Oh, this is like primo sandcastle sand. Look at this. Look at that. And here we have the biggest offshore wind farm in Europe. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't. Ah! Ah! My feet! Oh! Oh, I really want to go in that big lake. Yeah. This is like the coldest water in the world. Ah! Oh. And so we get closer to the edge of the sea. Oh, I don't know if I want to go in. And he's going in the sea! Ah! Boy, I am freezing right now. I'm in the sea. Just having a nice stroll along the beach. Very nice. The sun is shining. Not a cloud in the sky. Here we have a bicycle resting in the sand. Madness. Sun is shining everywhere, everywhere we go. Oh, I'm definitely sinking right now. I actually can't move my feet. This is really weird. Oh. Ah! Oh my god, I've lost my legs. Ah! Ah! Oh wow, that was dramatic. I've just found a shell. Very nice. Right, I've got like the best collection of shells ever. Like, look at this. What is that? That's sick. It's crazy, man. And I got some like weird, cool red thing. And I got some like snail thingy. Yeah, boy. And that concludes our journey at the beach. Catch you later, guys. Oh yeah, I can hold it now if you want.
We're at the corner.